everyone. My name is Shraddha Ghosh and I am the founder of Pixelon. Today, we are going to talk to you about the guiding force behind Pixelon. What was the idea? Why did we form this company? Now, I have been in the industry for roughly 13 years now, training and mentoring different people. And what I realized was that even though a lot of people are signing up for the courses, not as many are actually clearing the papers and getting their degrees. When we analyzed the gap, we figured out three biggest reasons for this. First, now if you analyze any US certification cost, let's just take US CPA as an example. You end up spending roughly around 4,75,000 Indian rupee end to end before you register and before you clear the paper. And this is not even considering the licensing cost. Out of this 475,000 Indian rupee, do you know what is the highest cost? The biggest component is examination fees. Yes, you heard me right. And take a guess. It's not 10%, 20%, 30% or 40%. Roughly 65% of the cost of investment towards US CPA is the examination fees, which, here the bad news is, if you don't clear it in the first attempt, you end up repeating, you end up paying this fees again. So one is of course the investment in terms of money, and the biggest investment is the cost of sitting for the papers. The second biggest factor is that these exams are not aimed for just the college student, these are aimed for working professionals. In fact, if you analyze the maximum number of students who sign up for this course and see value in it, these are the working professionals. So already you have paucity of time. These are the people who've not been in active touch with studies, and they wear different hats, not just that of a student. They are the providers in their family. They have a family to take care of. They have work to take care of. So investment, the fact that you're a working professional, automatically this does not become your only priority. And the third and most important thing is the passing mark is very high. You need to score a minimum of 75 out of a grading of 99 to clear these papers. So because of three biggest constraints, the percentage of people dropping out of the course was very high. The reason why we formed Pixelon is to make sure that this gap is reduced. If you sign up for the course, you do clear the certification and you get that tag of a CPA beside your name. So how do we do that? To know more about what we do and our offering, please keep watching. If you want to know more about us, please subscribe to our channel, like our post, and we would be informing you a lot more about our offering. Thank you.